Welcome. This presentation provides an overview of A/B testing systems, focusing on experimentation platforms and feature flags. We will also discuss statistical analysis. Let's get started. A/B testing is a method of comparing two versions of a web page, application, or feature to determine which one performs better. One version is labeled A, serving as the control, while the other is labeled B, representing the variant. The goal is to identify which version achieves the desired outcome more effectively. The architecture of an A/B testing system typically involves three key components. First, the configuration service, which manages experiment definitions and feature flags. Second, the decision engine, responsible for determining user assignment and variant selection. Finally, the analytics pipeline, which collects metrics and performs statistical analysis to evaluate the results. Feature flag systems utilize runtime toggles that allow you to enable or disable features without requiring a code deployment. The provided code example illustrates a basic implementation, where a feature flag determines whether to render a new or old checkout process. The configuration specifies whether the new checkout feature is enabled and its rollout percentage, indicating the portion of users who will experience the new feature. User segmentation and assignment often relies on hash-based assignment. This approach uses deterministic hashing to ensure consistent user assignment across different sessions. The provided code snippet demonstrates how this algorithm works. It creates a deterministic hash based on the user ID and experiment ID, converts it into a percentage, and then assigns the user to either variant A or variant B based on the percentage. Data collection and metrics are critical for evaluating A/B tests. Primary metrics like conversion rate, revenue per user, and click-through rate directly measure the success of an experiment. Secondary metrics such as session duration, page views, and bounce rate provide additional context. Finally, guardrail metrics, including error rates, load times, and user satisfaction, help ensure that changes do not negatively impact the user experience. Statistical significance testing helps determine whether the results of an A/B test are statistically meaningful. A common standard is to use a 95% confidence level. Additionally, the p-value, which indicates the probability of observing the results due to random chance, should be less than 0.05. The z-test formula shown here is used to calculate the z-score, which helps determine statistical significance based on the conversion rates and sample sizes of the two variants. A gradual rollout strategy involves incrementally increasing the traffic allocation to a new feature. This typically starts with an initial test exposing the feature to a small percentage of users, for example 5%. As confidence grows, the rollout expands, for example, to 25%. Eventually, if the results are positive, a full rollout deploys the feature to 100% of users. The configuration example illustrates how traffic allocation and target audiences can be defined for an experiment. Achieving system scalability and performance presents several challenges. These include low latency decision times, high throughput to handle millions of requests per second, and global distribution with edge caching and content delivery network integration. To address these challenges, technical solutions such as caching strategies using Redis and in-memory storage, load balancing with horizontal scaling and auto-scaling, and circuit breakers for graceful degradation and fallbacks are employed. In conclusion, following best practices is essential for successful A/B testing. This includes being hypothesis-driven by starting with clear hypotheses and success metrics, applying statistical rigor with proper sample sizes and significance testing, and also continuous monitoring with real-time alerts for guardrail metrics. Scalable architecture enables rapid experimentation. Data-driven decisions improve product outcomes. Feature flags enable safe deployments. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.